Hood off, DJ? Ooh, I know. And this motherfucker look good. It's that 5'7" thing, boy. You know, we got the cat back here in the back. Got my dog Snoop. Cake Pizzle. Ooh. Gang. It's your boy SRT BJ back with another banger for you guys, man. And we starting off hot and ready like Little Caesars, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today is New Year's Eve. I know this video gonna drop pretty late. Nah, matter of fact, I'm gonna try to push it out sooner than later. But yeah, man, we got the roof off on these things. Big takeover going on tonight, man. Hope y'all be ready. Cause it's finna be epic. It's finna be fucking epic for real. So, finna get inside the stove, get some stuff ready, and just best believe we finna get straight to the action and turn up, man. If you're new to the channel, please take the time out to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? On our way to 1K, you feel me? And it's lit, man. It's lit. That's all I gotta say. So let's get it. Oh, boy, Snoop got the sticky Mickeys on there, bitch.
Yeah, I don't know how to slide. I don't know how to slide.
Yeah, DJ?
Huh? Yep.
The one you had?
Yep. Had to keep it in the family.
That's why them motherfuckers didn't look like that.
Had to keep it in the family, shit. See a little something, you know what I'm saying? Boom! That boy cutting up. I'm finna go get the cat on there, boy. I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna let it warm up.
Hey, ZJ, where he at? Hey, he know how to slide now.
It's too light right now. They ain't ready for that shit. They ain't ready for that wine. They ain't ready for the cat yet.
Hey, they ain't ready
for the cat yet. Come on, they ain't ready for that shit yet. Hey, you gotta leave the best for last. I ain't stopping this shit though. shit. What happened?
What good?
He good? Oh shit. Damn. Knew that shit was gonna happen. Damn. Damn. Damn, bro.
Hey, no! Leave him alone. You don't know where to turn. Damn! Hey, he's working the yard! I am. I'm calling him.
Man, get your hand on this bitch, cuz. Hey, let him come through. Let him. If we can get him through the top. Hey, grab your shit. Hold on.
Yeah, he in shock. Tell you fool, that shit is.
I ain't gonna fake.
That shit.
What, ain't nothing in this fucking car? I'm scared of these wheels.
Bro. The niggas got you scared, folks?
No, I'm saying like, fuck that. I'm not doing no race with that shit with the wheels on.
I'm not think too good, son. I'm telling you.
I'm not bullshitting. And I wrap that bitch here.
Just like that game, that's the takeover, man. Look, prayers to the young man that was in that accident, man. Luckily, he's fine. He is in the hospital with a couple injuries, but you know, everything's gonna get sorted out in that situation, man. So please put your prayers in the comments and just in the air for him, you know what I'm saying? Because he really gonna need them. And other than that, man, yeah, it was fun. You know what I'm saying? Besides the incident, it was fun. Can't wait to do it again, man. The only city, the only state really doing it the dumb way, Shreveport, Louisiana, you hear me? From the racing to the sliding to the scenes to all that, man. We do it the dumb way, you feel me? But other than that, man, look, hope y'all enjoy the content, man. Y'all make sure y'all tap in for the next video. And it's your boy SRT BJ signing out. Peace.